Yo guys, it's another video brought to you by Matt from Mighty Peeps. Hope you guys are enjoying the content so far. Leave a like, drop a comment down below, subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet done so, and also turn on post notifications so that you don't miss any of the content that I'll be posting out for you guys. So in today's video, I'd like to show you guys another simple forex trading strategy that can make you a profitable trader without stressing so much on courses and also doing so much to improve on your trading. This simple forex trading strategy for beginners and also advanced people will allow you to enjoy a certain level of profitability that you may not be enjoying at the moment. I know it's a challenge to most people who come on YouTube and look for forex trading education to find real information that can make them profitable, but on this channel I try as much as possible, guys, to break down for you simple trading strategies that you can start to apply into your day-to-day trading and make yourself a profitable trader. Now, I know that most of you guys who are watching my videos are not subscribed to the channel. Please do me some kindnesses to support this channel by subscribing, liking the videos, and also commenting down below with your thoughts. Thank you, guys. And in case you guys want to know which broker I use, a subscriber named Akelo asked me what broker I used, and I realized that I've not been putting the link to my broker in the description down below, and so I just added the broker that I use in the description down below. So if you want to trade with the same broker that I use, you can use the link in the description down below. And remember that when you use that link, when you sign up with that link, I will get a small commission, and so thank you in that regard. So guys, without wasting any more of your time, let's go right into the strategy. I'm gonna get home and I'm going to get onto my computer, and hopefully you guys, as we break down the strategy, you will take away something from it and learn a lot from it. Also guys, don't be quiet in the comment section down below. Comment with your thoughts, give a like on the video, and so let's go. So guys, the strategy here is very simple. We are on the British pound Japanese yen chart, and what I want you guys to do is you're going to use trend lines in this strategy. Very simple trend line strategy using trend line breaks. So what you're looking for is a slight uptrend or downtrend. Okay, guys, forgive the traffic. Recording outside. Look for a trend line. Look at a rising market. For example, here there was an uptrend. Just join one low to another. Okay, just join one low to another, and what you want to wait for at this time is a break. You can trade this off of one time frame, guys. You don't have to scale down to a lower time frame, but if you want to get more accurate entries, you can go down to the 4-hour chart, and then you look for entries on the 4-hour chart. Okay, so this is the same trend line we've drawn on the daily chart. We've come down to the 4-hour chart. Don't be shy to, you know, adjust your trend line just to fit. Okay, so what you want to do is wait for a trend line break, like this area here. This area was an area where the trend line was broken. So what you want to wait for when price breaks are below the trend line is you want to wait for a bearish engulfing, which appeared here. Okay, so after the bearish engulfing, you want to take a short position, put your stop loss above the trend line. Okay, just above the trend line, and then put your go for at least a 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio. Okay, go for a 1-to-2. Okay, so you can see that this was achieved. Then what you want to do again is you want to look at the downtrend, because now this is a downtrend. After the trend line broke below, the price broke below trend line in an uptrend. Now the trend went down, and so you could draw another trend line joining two equal two lower highs. Okay, two lower highs like this. You want to wait for market to break above the trend line, which happened around that area. Let me show you guys. It happened around this area here. Okay, it happened around here. So what you want to wait for is maybe a retest, and if you see a bullish engulfing candle pattern like this one here, okay, or an inside bar, you immediately take a long position here. Okay, take a long position there. Sorry guys, let's get a long position. Take a long position right there. Your stop loss just below the trend line, and target a 1 to 2, guys. You can see that it was achieved 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. So guys, right now the market has just broken a trend line, and we would have been in profit if we used the trend line strategy here. You can see that this market, after breaking the trend line we just drew, also started creating an uptrend. Okay, it started creating an uptrend. So what we would do is we would draw our trend line there. So right now GBP JPY is just broken the trend line just a few I think like a day ago. It broke below this trend line. So what you would do at this moment is to go short at this bearish engulfing, which broke below. Immediately it closed, put your stop loss above the trend line, and then target a 1 to 2. This trade is pretty much still playing out, because at this point what you could be targeting would be let me show you guys. You would be targeting this low here. Okay, you would be targeting this low here, right here, because the price is coming down to test this low again. Another thing is that you could use a Fibonacci confluence. Okay, you could trade with confluence using Fibonacci, right? So you'd get a Fibonacci fib, draw it from this point to that high point. Guys, I showed you a Fibonacci trading strategy on this channel. If you guys have not watched that video, you can go back and watch that video. Yeah, I think I'll leave a link up in the below in the description, and also maybe give a pop-up here in the video for you guys to go and watch that video. So right now you can see that price is actually playing at a golden zone Fibonacci. Okay, it is playing within the golden zone Fibonacci, which is that area there. I like to color that gold. Okay, and I like to fill that up with a golden color. Okay, so right now price is playing around the Fibonacci golden zone. What you want to wait for is, okay, what you want to do is you want to be careful around that golden zone, because price can easily reverse from the golden zone and continue bullish upwards. But if price breaks and closes below the golden zone, okay, what you will do is that you will then trail your stop loss to above, just above the golden zone, secure that profit, and target the lowest point, which I just showed you here in the video here. Okay, so guys, that is a simple trend line strategy that you can start using. If you don't like what I've done, give me a dislike on the video. But if you like the content, guys, drop me a like on the video. Also subscribe to the channel. We're a new channel trying to grow. Guys, you've been doing me some great kindness by liking the previous videos I posted. Now do the same for this video. Give a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, guys. Help me reach at least 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year. Thank you guys in advance, and I'll see you guys in a later video. Bye bye.